Hi, this is Mato. This video is an introduction to an amazing interactive chess book called 700 Practical Chess Lessons and Exercises. Let's have a look at the book. When you click on the link below the video, you will get to this page, and here I will click on Browse. So, these are the chapters of the book: Introduction, Deflection, Decoying, Eliminating Defenders, Clearing Squares and Lines, Pinning and Unpinning, Interference and Shutting Off, Combining Themes, Clearing Lines, Defenders, Pawns on the Brink, Miracle Saves. You can progress through the book in two ways: by learning first, or you can go straight to the solving mode. Of course, you can combine these two. However, the last section is examination, where themes are mixed together. So this will be the true test of your skills. So, let's see some examples. I will click on Introduction. Here you can read about this course. I will not read it, just like to show you a few things. Then here you can read the alpha and omega of chess. And here I will click on Forward, Chessable Forward. And let's go back, and I will click on the game Manka and Braga. And I already saw this example, so I will click on it again. This is called Overstudy, and this is solving mode. It is white to move. How would you continue in this position if you had white pieces? Note how white rook and white bishop are connecting on d8. At the moment, d8 is defended by the knight. So, first move is queen to c7 check, knight takes queen, and then you clear the path for the rook. This is check, and there is checkmate in one. Rook to d8, checkmate. Sweet. And because I'm doing this second time, I end 0 points. Okay, let's go back. I will click here on the game between Spielman and Ladau, and I haven't seen this one before, so I hope that I will not embarrass myself. Solve problem, so I'm not learning about this, I go straight to the problem. We'll click on Solve. Okay, Mato, good luck. People who are watching. Alright, so what comes to mind here is queen to g4. Can black defend? Can play g6. What about knight to f6 check? And after pawn takes, queen to g4 check. King goes to h file, and how do I checkmate the king then? I can't do the rook lift. I can play king to g2 and then rook to h1. Okay, let's see if I'm right. Check, and then check again. And then as planned, and that is it. Wow, I solved it. Well done, Mato. Such a great fun. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I will click on one more example here. Silva and Stoltz. Click on this one. Okay, here I have some tips. White sacrificed his queen for the sake of forcing his pawns through. What move should you play? So, a tip is given to me. Queen takes bishop, pawn takes queen, and then b7 and b8. That is what I think should be played. And then pawn is pushed, and promoting to queen. Oh, should I promote to knight? No, queen. Check, a mistake. And how do I win now? Okay, this is how to win. Next is rook to d8 check. Wow, well done, Mato. It says you rock. I earned 150 points. Awesome. Okay, let's do something different. So we are back to chapters. And let's pick something. Miracle saves. Okay, this is chapter 11. And Trotsky, solve. Okay, I'm going to try to solve this without learning first. I think the board is upside down. Is there a way to turn the board other way around? Okay, so white is intending to push the pawn. Pawn is coming to b8. How can black save the game? So we have black pieces. Can't play rook to b6 because bishop takes and then pawn is pushed. So perhaps we can go for a stalemate. We sacrifice the rook and then we bring the king to c6. Okay, let's see if it works. And then c6. If the pawn is promoted to queen, then it's a stalemate. And if it's promoted to knight, we just play king to b7. Wow, I did it. Well done. Okay, let's go back and let's go back to the tree again. So this is the one I was talking about, examination. In this chapter, there is more than 300 puzzles which will test your skills. Okay, so we'll click on the last chapter here. You don't have anything to review here. You may need to start learning something new. Never mind, so it is reminding me that I am jumping chapters. Okay, let's pretend that I finished learning all the chapters and I'm doing a test now. I will click on the solve button. What move should you play? Okay, so if I take the queen, then the rook takes queen, nothing special. What if I play rook to d8? Then he can't take my rook, he must take the queen. Rook takes rook check. And after king moves, I just collect the queen. I hope to be lucky in front of my audience. White resigned. Okay, let's solve one more problem. What move should you play? Try it. So, this is a test. I can see something if I play rook to d7 and then queen takes rook. I play knight to f6, winning the queen. So this must be the first move. Black resigned. Yeah, that is true. If queen doesn't take rook, then bishop is gone. Rook takes bishop would be played. I only wish these exercises were available when I was learning to play chess. This way, chess can be learned faster than using a book and a board. This is indeed an amazing chess book. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess. And please remember to click on the link below the video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.